Hi, early birds. I hope that you're all doing good. I miss you all so much, and I cannot wait to see you at pre-K graduation this week. All right, I thought today we could review some of our shapes that we learned this year. So we will start with a shape that has 4 sides, and they are all the same size. Does anyone remember? It has 4 sides. They're all the same size. A square. Good job if you remembered that before you saw it. We have a square. Up next is a shape that has 4 sides, but they are not all the same size. It is a rectangle. So it still has 4 sides, but these 2 are the same, and then those 2 are the same down here. Our rectangle. Next we have our shape that goes round and round, our circle. After that, we have a stretched out circle. You remember what that shape is called? It's like we took our circle and stretched it out. An oval. And then the next one is our heart. The next shape has 3 sides, 3 straight lines. A triangle. You can flip it any way and it's still a triangle. These next shapes, I think y'all learned while I was out with baby Emma. This one has 4 sides, but it's not a square and it's not a rectangle. This one is called a trapezoid. That's a funny word. Can you say trapezoid? So it has 4 sides also, but it looks a little bit different than our rectangle and square, doesn't it? Next we have a diamond and a star. And then very last we have an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Has lots of sides. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you think of something that's in the shape of an octagon? You see it when you're in the car. It's red. It's a sign that you have to stop at in the car. A stop sign. A stop sign is an octagon. It has 8 sides. All right. I'm going to send a list of all of those shapes to your mommies and daddies, and I want to see if you can draw those at home this week. Some of them are kind of hard. The octagon is hard to draw. Has 8 sides. It took me a few tries to get it right. And then a star can be hard to draw too, but I just want you to try your very hardest to try and draw all those shapes that we learned this year in school. And then I have our color of the month. This was our color of the month. It might be showing up backwards on your screen, but it's B-L-U-E. What does that spell? B-L-U-E spells blue. I wrote it in blue. So the sun has been out and the skies have been blue, and it's made me think of the color of the month. See lots of blue skies because it's almost summertime. All right, early birds, that is all I have for you today. I will be sending y'all another video this week. I can't wait to see you on Zoom on Wednesday, and I cannot wait to see you at pre-K graduation on Thursday. I miss you all so, so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.